This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Wanda Smith. Move-in ready, brick and vinyl home in well-established neighborhood. Well-maintained 5-bed/3-bath home with open floor plan. Detached brick garage and additional brick shed. This kitchen has updated cabinets, granite counters, stainless steel appliances, newer AC, roof, and much more. Home warranty conveys. Near shopping, dining, and interstates. Don't miss this one. Call for showing. New home for the holidays. For more information, review the details below.